Hello there. This is Mabel's Tables, and I am going to be doing a DIY for your table. Don't forget, y'all, please, please pray for others. And remember, it looks bad sometimes out there, fires everywhere, water flooding everywhere. Euphrates River is empty, but guess what? This is still God's words, and He will have the last say. Okay, now let's get to this DIY. I hauled these from the Dollar Tree. They were new things that I saw when my son took me there to the Dollar Tree, so I got some of these. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I use these. And this is the pot holder. They come two to a package. So let's get to working on these. Now what I normally do when I get a towel, I cut my towels in half and hem them with the glue gun. Okay? So I'm going to level that up like this. Make sure it's even. And I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to have to move this over some because I didn't catch that. And I'm just going to cut this too. There you go. I think I got it all now. There we go. Got both of them cut. It's in half. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my glue gun. And if you could see me, I hope you could see me. Let me go back just a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. I hope that helps you some. Let me get this straightened out so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, there you go. And I'm going to bring this around that way. There you go. Bring it down. Now, all right, so I'm going to take my glue gun and I'm going to go right here on the edge. You know, every time you start doing something, something else acts up. So I'm just going to glue this all the way down this way. Okay, going to glue it all the way down that way. Make sure you put a little bit more glue on the edge because this is where you need it at. And you just fold it over. See how I'm folding that over? Just like that. This is what I did. See? And now see? And then smooth it out real good. And fold that back over. And you got a towel. So now I'm going to take the second half. And I'm going to do the same thing with the second half that I cut. I need another glue stick. And here they are over here. Sorry for reaching, and I hope you see what I'm doing. I'm going to go again. Here I go. I'm going to throw out my glue and just go all the way down, all the way across, close to the edge as I can, but not going over the edge. Just close to the edge as I can. I hope you see what I'm doing with my glue gun, okay? There you go. Then I'm taking it and just folding it over like this. Folding it over like that. Then you're going to smooth it all down. Because you know the glue get real hot, so it's going to keep it. And there you go. And you're going to cut this tag off. Okay. I don't know what that was. Something fell. Oh, my Bible. Well, you know the oh, Lord. My Bible fell. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to put you on hold to get my Bible. Hold on just a minute. I got to get my Bible. My Bible got to be here with me. Okay, I'm back. I got my Bible and I'm back. Okay. And what I did was glue that together as well. And so I'm going to set it to the side. Now we're going to work on the pot holders. First of what I'm going to do, I thought about cutting that off there. Thought about cutting that off. But I think I'm going to leave it on there. Because I could use this in another way. I just got this little blade right here. And I'm going to slit this right here. See those two black lines right there? See right in there, those two black lines? I'm going to slit that inside there. See, I slitted it right in there. You can barely see it, but that's good. I'm going to take the other one and slit it as well. Right in between those two black lines. See right there? That's what I did. Okay. So I'm going to put this back up to be safe, on the safe side. Put that back up. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my two black bowls that I hauled from Dollar Tree. They had some pumpkins and stuff on them, and I took that off because I'm not into all that witches and stuff. So, and I'm going to put that right up here. I put that black bowl right there. And I'm going to take the next black bowl and I'm going to put it same place. Okay? And I'm going to stick my bowl right there. As the children says, same back channel, same back station, right there. So that's that right there, okay? On my pot holder. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little bow just to go on top of this white, top of this black bow, okay? So what I'm going to do, I got some black and white, and I'm going to fold it over just a little bit, not much, and I'm going to fold it again, and I'm going to cut it. Going to cut it right there, close as I can. I hope everyone has been doing good. I've been trying my best to do good and talk to the Lord so I can get back out here and do the things that I want to do. You know, sometimes we have to do what the Lord wants to do and not what we want to do. So now I got another piece, and I'm going to make my binding right here. Make it look like a little bow tie. See that? And I'm just going to glue that. I gathered it together, put that across it, put this across it, and pull it tight. Some people said taut, tight, however you want to say it. Okay? And I got one little bow tie right there, okay? Now I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to put it on top of this black bow right here. I'm going to hold it until it sets. Okay, got to hold it till it sets. All right. And we're going to make the next bow. Same ribbon. Gonna fold it over, make sure I'm making it the same size. There to there. Okay. And I'm gonna fold it over again. And I'm gonna cut it close to this. I'm gonna cut it here. Gonna cut it here. Okay, and I'm gonna scrunch it all together, squeeze it all together like this. See? Make that bow tie. Straighten it out. Make that bow tie. And I'm gonna take another piece of the ribbon, fold it in half, and I'm gonna put it over this like this. Put it in half like that. See? And I'm going to take the hot glue and I'm going to put it on the back. And I'm going to layer that in there. And then I'm going to take this, pull it tight. There you go. And I'm going to straighten my bow tie out. Make sure it's good and tight. Cut this off. Okay. There you go. There you go. And I'm going to take this one and put it on top of this one, just like I did on the other one. Wait a minute. This is coming loose, so I'm going to have to glue it a little bit more. Okay. There you go. And then I'm going to, now that I got it glued a little bit more, put some glue on this black bow. And I'm going to put this right here. See that? Right there. It's more than one way you can use those black bows. They don't have to be used for scary things or for Halloween. You can use them in more than one way. Okay? So now that I got that all glued up, I'm going to show you what I did with the slits. Now with the slits that I put in here, watch this. These don't match. I'm just using them for video purposes because I have some black ones. But I'm going to put this right in here. Put them right in the slit. See that? We're going to do the same on this one. Push it in there. You have to push it in there. Just push it on down in there. It'll go. If you need some help, take your scissors and there you go. See? Put your scissors down in there to make it go. And then put your fork down in there. Take your knife and put it in there. And you've made a good pocket. See that? See how I did that? Now what I'm going to do now is show you how I would set this up on a table. I hope you all are doing fine, and I hope you all have been praying. And I thank everybody that was concerned enough for me to pray for me. I appreciate you so much for praying for me. You know, prayer is the key. Yes, it is. So I hauled this. I had this in my haul. It's a drying mat, but I'm going to use it today as a placemat to show you how you can use all this stuff I just made. Let me move this over some and put this right here so you can see it. There you go. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to decorate this as if I was setting a table. So here we go. I have my black and white charger here. Okay, I'm going to set it right there. I have my black and white checkered plate. I'm going to set it there. I have my Count Your Blessings, black and white. And I have my bowl, black and white. I'm going to set it like this. Get everything set up beautifully so you can see. I think I'll put my bowl right there. What do you think? And then I'm going to take these, see, and put them right here. Put it right here. But if I had another plate setting, I would put this in the other plate setting. And I'm going to take my towel that I did right here, use it for a placemat, and I'm going to put it right under the bowl and let it hang off the table a little bit. Or you can pull it up this way and put your bowl there, and you have a complete, beautiful plate setting. See how that is? A beautiful, complete place setting. You got everything there that you need on your table. This is Mabel's Tables. I pray to God that you are doing fine. I pray to God that everything is good in your life. And I pray to God that He continually bless you with everything that your heart desires and all of the love that you need in your heart. Thank you so very much for looking at my DIY with my Dollar Tree items. I would like to say, if you feel like it, hit that subscribe button. A lot of us don't like to subscribe. I've even heard a lot of people say they don't subscribe to a lot of people because it messes up. I don't know how it messes up. Maybe somebody can explain it to me. But I like to subscribe when I can. I think I've oversubscribed, to be honest. But if you can hit that subscribe button for me and hit that thumbs up, I would be most appreciative. And remember, you can do anything with things from Dollar Tree, all in a different way. This is Mabel's Table saying, don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. And remember, y'all, God ain't gone nowhere. He is still alive and well. Mabel's Table saying, adieu. God bless you.